Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English objective past question. Question number 2. And the instruction to this question says we should choose the word that is that is most nearly opposite a meaning to the word in Italy, italicized, and the word that is italicized is a solution. A solution is the word that is in italicized form, and the sentence say there is always a solution to every problem. There is always a solution to every problem. Option A say cure, B say a cure, B say a disadvantage, B say a undo, D say remedy, E say an answer. An answer is synonymous to solution. It's the same thing as solution. Remedy is the same thing as solution. Remedy is the same thing as solution and answer. So undo simply means barrier or problem. Then cure means solution. So you can see the only option that is different from the list of options provided is option C. So option C is correct. So it simply means that there is always a undo to every problem. Although undo means problem, but the opposite of solution is undo, which is barrier or problem. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe for more videos.